Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Excel Sessions, and today we will learn three different methods to create drop down in Excel cell. If the list contains only few items, then we can add the list of items in the source field of the data validation box. For example, field married can contain either yes or no. To add these two options, select the cell in which you have to add the drop down and go to Data tab, click on Data Validation option, select Data Validation. In the Settings tab, select List in the Allow drop down, click on the source field and type the options yes and no separated by comma. Click OK. Now the C3 field is showing the drop down. Click on this and the added options are visible. The options are case sensitive. It means if I add no in the lower case, then after pressing enter, it will show message that this value does not match the data validation restrictions. If the list contains more than 127 characters, then it is easy to add the range reference in the source field of data validation list. For example, the state field is available to select the Indian state. So I have created a list of all the Indian states. Now to show all these states in the C4 cell, select the cell C4, go to Data tab. In the Data Validation option, select Data Validation, and again in the Allow field, select List, click on the source field, and now go to State Sheet and select all the values. Now the source field is showing the range reference. Click OK, and the C4 cell is showing drop down option. Click on this and all the added states are visible. Now you can select any one. If I add any new data, for example, I'm adding a new value, Andaman, then the drop down will not show the newly added option automatically. So every time if you are adding a new value, you have to go to data validation option, and in this you have to change the reference. Select the new range reference so that newly added value is also available. Click OK, and the newly added value is available. So to create a dynamic list so that any new added items should be automatically visible in the list, we need to convert the list into table. For example, city field is used to select the city name. So I have created a list of all the cities. Now to create a dynamic list, first we have to convert the list into table. So select any cell in the list, press Ctrl T to convert the data into table. Click OK. Now the data is converted into table format. Now go to Formulas tab, click on Name Manager option. The table is visible in the Name Manager box. Select the table, click on Edit button, change the table name to city, click OK. Click Close button. Now go to the list sheet, select the cell C5, go to Data tab, click on Data Validation option, select Data Validation. Now in the Allow box, select List option, and in the source, type equals to indirect, open bracket, and in double quotes, type the table name. closing bracket, and then click OK. Now the cell C5 is showing the drop down option. Click on this and all the city names are available. Now go to the city sheet and add a new city name. So I'm adding Haridwar. Now go to list sheet, click on the drop down, and the newly added city is available in the drop down. So in this way you can create the dynamic drop down box in Excel sheet. So these are the three ways through which you can create drop down option in your Excel sheet. Remember, a data validation list can show up to 32,767 items from a list on the worksheet. If you like the content, press thumbs up and share with your friends and colleagues. Subscribe the channel and press bell icon to get the notification of the new videos. Thanks for watching.